Every day, you bring brands to life through print. You accept any challenge, big or small. You say yes to each project with a smile. Day in, day out, you print with pride. And sometimes, when it really matters, even overnight. But what if there was a way to say yes, even more often? With HP Latex printers, there is. With your cloud-connected HP Latex printer, you'll be able to eliminate repetitive and time-consuming procedures, achieve faster turnarounds, and gain more control over cost. Real-time analytics allow you to monitor your printer remotely, keep up to date on printer performance, stay on top of things like ink and substrate consumption, and immediately identify printing issues, even when you're not there. With HP Latex printers, you'll also be able to simplify the way you print. Conveniently set up and auto-backup your printer and substrate configurations to ensure consistent and error-free reprints every single time. And with HP's easy-to-integrate web-to-print tools for decoration and signage design, you'll be able to offer your customers new products and services to unleash your online print business potential. And what's the best part about all this? When you upgrade to cloud-connected HP Latex printers, access to all these tools is completely complimentary. No matter what your clients ask, HP Latex Smart Printing Experience gives you the confidence to say yes every time. Do more. Deliver and grow your business how you want to. HP Latex. Accept any challenge.